How to turn on or turn off dark mode for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in the app screen, open up the Internet Browser app. Then in here, you want to tap on the menu button at the bottom corner. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Web Page View and Scrolling. Then tap on Dark Mode. In here, you can choose between Match Phone Settings, or you can tap on to turn on Dark Mode, or you can switch it off. So if I turn on Dark Mode, I can also choose the web page brightness in dark mode. By default, it is set to 50%, so you can increase the brightness or you can decrease the brightness. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, and here, this is what it looks like when you have selected dark mode. And that's it. If you want to go back to bright mode or light mode, we go in here and then we tap on web page view and scrolling, and then tap on dark mode and select off or choose match font setting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.